They didn't give us a file for this person. They need an extension. So Mr. Gordon. You need an extension?
Yeah, can I get an extension on that, on those tickets? I spent a lot of money here this month.
I don't know which tickets we're talking about, because they didn't send you up here with a file.
When I went to, when I got arraigned like a month ago, like down in the jail, they added my 2 tickets where I parked in front of my house. It was like 2 $90 tickets, and they added it on there. I think a Judge Milmore or magistrate.
Okay, Magistrate Milmore, you have $90 and $96.
Yeah.
And you're supposed to pay them when?
She said she gave me 30 days, but I paid.
Yeah, I have no problem extending it. They just, who sent you over here?
Nobody did, but I know it was
Oh,
over
okay.
yesterday. I didn't want no more warrants.
You pull the file for me. I'll pull the file. How much time do you need?
Just like 30 days. I come back for sentencing on September 27th, but I just.
Okay. I'll set it till.
She's home. I can work all I want now.
I'll give you till September 27th.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're all set. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Alexia Alanis, call number 23-03751, counsel appearance.
Kenan Lefebvre on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Alexia Alanis.
Alanis is present in the court, I'm sorry, in the jail from Ingham County by Polycom. And this was a trial for a domestic violence. She failed to appear on back in June. Was there ever an offer on this one?
Your Honor, we have a previous offer of dealing with HIDA. It was the same offer extended this time, except we were still in negotiations about whether or not the court would grant a CATS evaluation. I'm not sure how the defense would like to proceed on that.
Yeah, I have a note here. But there was a concern about cognitive issue. Even at the last pretrial I held in April. Mr. Lee, have you been able to have a meaningful discussion with your client? Do you think she needs to have an evaluation?
Your Honor, in my discussions with Ms. Alanis yesterday, she was coherent, alert, responded intelligently to my questions, and seemed to be making strategic decisions that were not indicative of something problematic. So no, I would not think that would be necessary at this time.
Okay. Okay, and what does she want to do about the offer?
She wants to set the matter for a final pretrial, Your Honor.
Okay, September 3rd at 8 a.m. September 3rd at 8 a.m. for final pretrial in person at the court.
Jury trial October 1st.
October 1st for jury trial at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Do you have any questions, Ms. Alanis?
That's perfect. That's all I needed. What, September the 3rd?
September 3rd is going to be your next court date.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay, any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for the people, Your Honor. Thank you.
Nothing for the defense. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, you're all set. What's this? I don't have one other jail thing. This is Savita. What all of this? Or maybe is the interpreter maybe?
Oh, yes.
Mr. Zany, you're married to the interpreter?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Are you singing?
No, I'm humming because I can't sing. I've heard the court thing and I cannot sing in front of the court. I know that. But I did wear a bright blue suit to say, hey, how you doing?
I'm sure that the prosecutor's office is excited to see your blue suit.
They were, you see Mr. Martinez game on?
I do.
Game recognized game around here. We know what time it is.
We're off the record, I hope.
I hope so too. Gosh, that would-
Savita?
yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you unmute, please?
I did.
Okay, very good. Which matter are you here for? Are you the interpreter?
Yes, I'm the interpreter for Trilok Singh.
Okay. Okay, I don't know. Hang tight, and I'm not sure if the defendant is here yet. His
All right.
attorney, their
Yeah.
attorney is here.
All right.
Okay, and then this is Montalvo.
Yes, we have Ms. Montalvo.
Okay, you're representing Montalvo. Are we having a hearing?
No, no, please.
Keith King, did Keith King appear? I don't know who that was, it just walked out. I thought maybe he was here for Miss Alanis because he was doing this. So I don't know. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jacqueline Montalvo, file number 20-03011. That's for the record.
Pino Montalvo on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
You're relying on behalf of Ms. Montalvo.
Okay, today's set for a hearing on a probation violation that she was arraigned on back on the 6th of August, and your indication to the courts that we're not having a hearing today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is she intending to enter a guilty plea to the violation?
Well, so there are two alleged violations. Be prepared to admit to the technical violation, Your Honor. With regard to the non-technical, I believe that is very it's really related with the pending felony case. We're not to address that on the record.
And when is her next court date on the felony matter?
They set for pretrial conference with Judge Dragonchuck on September 25th.
I don't. What is the charge that's pending?
So it is
Second degree arson and R&B, A&B, is that it?
yes, sir.
Okay. You know, that man was sitting back there was,
Which one?
he was here, but he left it. I just was trying to make sure he wasn't Keith King.
Where do you have on?
He had on a yellow t-shirt. He's probably left, he's probably gone now. I just didn't know if he ever checked. I checked in. Okay, I think he might have been here for Miss Alanis. Okay. So the expectation is that she's going to plead to the violation number 13, and then we're to continue violation number 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're ready. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under the penalty of perjury? Put your hand down. I advised you on the 6th of your rights as it relates to the probation violation and the possible penalties if you were to have a violation sustained, and that includes of jail time or an extension of your probation status. You want to waive your right to the contested hearing there? Anybody threatening you to do that? Any promises being made to you in exchange for you pleading guilty to the violation alleging that you tested positive blood alcohol content of 0.24? As to violation 13 for police report number 24843000926, indicating that you tested positive with the blood alcohol content of 0.24 on July 6, 2024. How do you plead? Factual basis, please.
Montalvo, is it true that you were sentenced to a term of probation by this court in December of 2020?
Yes,
And as part of the probation, were you ordered to not consume any alcohol or other prohibited substances?
yes,
Is it true that you tested positive for alcohol on July 6th of 2020?
yes,
Is that because you had consumed alcohol?
yes.
Do you have any reason to dispute the finding that that your blood alcohol level was approximately 0.24? Agree that this was a violation of your probation orders?
Yes.
Any questions for the prosecution?
No, Your Honor, the people are satisfied with this factual.
Satisfied with the factual basis, I accept your plea and find you to be made free voluntarily and intelligently. The recommendation indicates that her overall attitude was poor, acceptance of responsibility has been poor, and overall progress is poor. The recommendation was to terminate the probation status and impose jail time is minimally suggested. It says defendant was close to completing probation, but has since spiraled out of control. She has a new pending felony out of 55th for second-degree arson and assault battery. Due to the nature of her pending case and her inability to follow through with the terms of her probation, I believe it is best to terminate her probation and refer the balance of $825.10 to collection. You can address the court on her statement.
Your Honor, I do think the recommendation is generally fair and appropriate. Ms. Montalvo would admit that she has not complied with her probation requirements and it's a means of probation. I do want to note, however, that since around the time of the July 6th incident, she has engaged with the psychiatrist and is following all of that doctor's recommendations. She also is now under supervision of pretrial services circuit court. She's fitted with this gram tether, so any alcohol use to be detected.
You have a scrim tether now?
Yes, Your Honor.
For how long?
Use
No, until when? Just throughout the pendency of the matter?
I don't have any different date for this thing.
Mr. Rowley.
So in other words, my request would be that she be simply allowed to continue on by with the felony case, working on that case.
That has nothing to do with my case, so I could care less that she picked up a new case, and she has a pending violation for it. Just because you have a pending case doesn't mean that I'm not gonna move forward with my violation, especially when the violation that I just sustained on your guilty plea is from a police report connected to that same case. You came before me a few months ago, represented to the court how you turned over these new leads, and you were here to go and try to counsel other people in a direction in which they should go. When you need counseling yourself, you not address the issues you were supposed to address. And that was after me back in June. I had just extended your probation 3 months because I added outpatient treatment. Now going to extend it 10 months. You're going to continue on your scram tether. I don't care what happens to the other case. That tether is removed as a result of the way that other case goes. You're still going to continue with your scram tether. You've not made any payments on the $825.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I need a payment.
Of how much?
$5.
Did you interrupt me to tell me that you paid $5
I'm
today?
very sorry.
Did you, that, you could have kept that to yourself because you were supposed to make monthly payments. Since May. You got money for alcohol, then you can have money to pay your fines and costs and pay them on time.
I believe I have been making payments.
No, you did not. I have your records here. Had you been making payments, you wouldn't have a balance of $820 today. 10 cents. Nonetheless, we're gonna continue your probation. You're gonna continue your outpatient treatment. You'll remain on scram tether. And all your other conditions will remain intact as it relates to the probation status. And I'll hold open the violation number 11 until the time of it's appropriate to address it. You have any questions? You're gonna go downstairs and check in with Mr. Neves before you leave. And when is your regularly scheduled date to report?
Tomorrow.
You'll also report to him tomorrow unless he tells you today that you don't need to, okay?
Yes, sir.
Additional matter for today's record.
And for the people, Your Honor, thank you.
Oh, Your Honor, thank you.
What else? Mr. Zany, did your client need to get online to speak with the interpreter, or are we good to go on the record now?
We're good to go on the record. Now. We're just gonna ask to have it reset. So I don't know if you wanna go on the record with that or
How long do you need?
a couple weeks. Saw some outside individuals. Apologize for my phone going off.
I didn't know what that was because I can't see this back there.
Thank God. That's why I
I
said.
thought it was Mr. Raleigh.
Oh, really?
Well, there used to be a judge in this courtroom that would confiscate it, make it
Yeah, and
$100.
on the spot.
Well, I mean,
Just
good thing.
That's a good thing.
Hey, I'm okay. See, I was
You
looking
paid
for that.
yourself.
Listen, I was looking for that song. I got 5 on.
Oh my gosh.
Which got me in trouble. So the Lord humbled me real quick and I shut it off. But in any event.
If you had to play that, if you had to play that in court, I probably would have to put you over there
Yeah, for
until
real.
they can remand you.
Yeah. Yeah, so every time I come to court, there's an emergency system. Should I not return at an appropriate time? It just triggers, I get like, they'll find me. Would you call my wife and tell her where I'm at, please? Not sure if she missed me.
This fool started playing.
I mean, 'cause that would have been perfect
In
timing.
the middle of
That'd have been
a court
perfect timing.
proceeding. Okay, what day was you going for?
September 3rd.
Does September 3rd work for you?
1:30.
I know, it's like the day after Labor Day. We like to do court.
I
It's up
guess.
to you.
It's his birthday though, so I mean.
Is that your
top and
birthday?
bottom.
September 3rd,
Yeah, I'm coming back that one.
but I'll be here, so don't worry.
I'm gonna bring a cake.
Anything to talk.
Okay.
Are we not going on the record for this?
We're on the record.
I need to put the offer on there so that they don't come and say we didn't offer anything.
Okay, what is the offer?
So right now we have 2 counts of the tobacco retail sale of individual cigarettes, both tickets. And we would dismiss both alcohol and lawful purchase by retail licensee. So basically, it would dismiss counts 1 and 2, keep count 3, add a count 4, identical to count 3.
You said the 3rd works.
Yeah,
What
it
time?
works for me. My client indicated there was a
1:30.
temple event that he had to attend on those days. And that's the following week.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4, and we just.
Oh, what time?
1:30.
He's gonna be in temple all day?
Yeah, it's a holiday.
Going.
September 10th at 10.
September 10th at 10.
Forward to doing that. Trying to clear up Mr. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Mr. Vita. You're all set for today.
Oh. You don't need me, ma'am?
No, the attorneys need to reset the matter.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope they forgive us.
We actually had